Mini staycation. So we are staying in this hotel. Here, the walkway before the room we are taking. This is the room. Here, supposed to put access. I need to open. My daughter is going to open for me. So so at the entrance, this is the door I just came in from. I just came in through this door from that walkway. Then on the right hand side is the living room. This is the living room in the hotel. It has its balcony. This is the living room. This camera is not even doing justice to this place. So this is just basically how it looks. This is the living room all here. It's a 2-bedroom apartment. This is the 19th floor. So after this door, the entrance door, on the right side, there's this living room. And then from the living room, we go straight to the rooms. We have 2 rooms. But before this direct one is one of the rooms. But before then, we have this artwork here, this telephone here, and a toilet here. The toilet here, just a small one. Then this room, I have this one of the rooms. Sorry girl, can I show my people this room? This one of the room, my daughter is here. This is just how the rooms look like. Then it has this wardrobe. I think the wardrobe have enough space. I'm going to show the balcony. It has balcony behind. Then this room, the first room, houses a toilet. This toilet, I show one small toilet, but this toilet is to this particular room. Toilet. After that first room, here is the kitchen. So this is the kitchen. Kitchen here. Kitchen also has its balcony. Can reach the balcony. Oh, it's so hot. The balcony behind. This is how the balcony is. This is the balcony. This is the view. You can see the cars. I will show the view from the other side. It's here. That goes to the first room I showed. Okay. Then let's go from the kitchen. The kitchen, they have so much storage. They have storage. These are the microwaves, kettle, the cooking gas. After kitchen, then we proceed to the second room. We have this ironing board here. Then here we have the toilet. This is another toilet. This toilet to the second room. Staycation is sweet, man. So as I was leaving the house, this is the bag. I think if you watch the other video, this is the bag I was dancing with. And this is my tripod. So in this room, we have this table and this mini mirror. Then we have here, we have wardrobe here, we have wardrobe here, and then This is the bed, and man of the house is sitting backing me. Hello, hello, sir. Congo, what's up? So now at the balcony, so this is the balcony. I already spread the cloth I came with. It's my husband's shoe. So this is the back side from the second room. You can see this is the 19th floor. Yes, this is the view from the second room. I've shown the view from the kitchen. You can see this is another view. I'm always very scared of the height too. It's really hot. It's about 40 degrees now, and this is about 4 p.m. in UAE. Today is the 27th of July. I am here for a staycation for a few days. This is I showed this place from the kitchen. So this is the part of it. It goes from the second room, which is the master bedroom, goes round to the main road. I'm just showing all this because it's a beautiful place for whoever is coming to UAE. You can DM me. I will give you more detail. So it's going direct like that. Goes to the second room and the kitchen. Yeah. I think I can't open from behind. I have to go back. Yes. Staycation. So this is just basically this 2-bedroom apartment room tour. I'm back to the sitting room. So cute. It's a beautiful place. Here it is. It's a beautiful. This is another beautiful artwork. What are you doing, this girl? This okay. So now get some food to eat now. After work, ìgbádùn lókù tá máa jẹ. After work, ìgbádùn lókù tá máa jẹ. Bye bye. Thank you for watching. Mwah.